YouTube, back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 26 here. Hey, we back with some more upgrades for the 59, y'all. So you know how it go, man. It's a downhill process from here, y'all. You know what? Once you start, downhill from there, guys. So what we got today, man, is we got the 59 on the bench. We got the 12 LED plug and play light kit. Yes, sir, y'all. Yes, sir. So, as you see from the last episode, I didn't plan on making no purchases, y'all. Found this for a great deal on Facebook Market. So I grabbed it, man. Couldn't help myself. I've been wanting one anyway, well, I paid full price. And then I had already ordered these anyway. My intention was to throw these in the Gold Digger. But now we got the 59. I think we're gonna go with that, man, because as you know, this RedCat lighting system is designed for the 64 and the 59. So we're gonna throw it in the 59, guys. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in the 59. So this ain't gonna be no know-how video, nothing like that, man. Might set you up on the stand real quick, just give you a little glimpse on what we got going on. But there's plenty of videos on there how to install the plug and play kit, so that ain't no point. And then, man, we actually thinking about, like I said in the last video as well, man, I'm thinking about going ahead and throwing these golds on here, y'all. It's about to be a downhill fix. I've been looking, I've been on RedCat, all in the parts section, y'all, checking out all the gold parts that we can get. So I think I'm about to do it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and gold this one out. Parts on the way for that, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and get that stuff ordered. And we're gonna go from there. So y'all keep it locked, man. But y'all take a moment right now for me, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on, and share it as well, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So you know we always got to do a test run. Go ahead and get everything hooked up. Fill out your directions, see what lights go to what. It's always the easiest. Hook up everything, man, before you mount everything down permanently, man, just to make sure these are I do not like the 59 design, guys. They didn't come with no buckets or anything to mount these lights down, man. It's kind of crazy. I know you can take these out, but ain't like you can fish the wires through, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I guess we're gonna have to hot glue it, something like that, man, just to get it to hold in there, then mount it down properly, guys. So we got to figure out that everything is functioning properly like it's supposed to. I said everything is functioning properly like it's supposed to, guys. Reverse lights is coming on. I'm trying not to let the car roll too far and snatch the wires out. Reverse lights is working. Stop light. Brake lights. Going forward. I never wanted that. I want to do turn signals flash when you... Nope, they don't flash. That would be a nice feature, guys, if I could figure out how to do that when you're steering, that your turn signals flash or blink or something. That'll be a nice feature. But I gotta take a second, guys. I gotta go through here and look through my wife's craft stuff, man. See if I can find her hot glue gun, because I have no idea where mine is. So that's where we at right now. So y'all keep it locked. We're gonna turn you back on and get you some more.
All right, guys, so I found my solution. Some clear grip. Just some little bonding adhesive, some Gorilla Glue, some Gorilla products. And I'm basically just, hold on 1 second, my light came out. Just basically sitting them in there, man, and I'm just rubbing a little bit on there, man, just to bond it to the plastic. Just to get it to stick. So nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, guys. I was still searching for my hot glue gun and came across this. So I was like, oh no. Came out on me. Don't do that. I need you to stick in there. This side done popped out on me too. So all right, guys, that's my solution. We're gonna see how it works. Hopefully they stay in. So I'm gonna turn you off and turn you back on, man. Let me finish up this. All right, guys, man. So that Gorilla Glue worked, man. Contact adhesive clear grip, man, is what I use. It bonds, is what it says, man. It feels just like the hot glue when you finish with it. It's a little tacky, you know, it take a little bit longer to dry. But man, she held in place, guys. She held in place strong, man. Think she gonna do what we need her to do. We got our wires all mounted down, a little cleaned up out the way. Our attachment mounted down to the side, man, so we can get that out the way. Went in and cleaned up our wires, got that a little bit more straight, man, so we ain't have wires flinging around everywhere. We lifted up our wire hold downs on there, man. I just ran it through here, came back, throw it through the middle one as well, man, just to give it, you know what I'm saying, to get some of that excess wire so it's so much playing around in there so we don't get nothing caught up in our attachments, man. So I think that should be enough where it still give me some play where I can lift it up off the car and unplug it when I need to remove it and everything, man. So that's about it, man. Let's get ready to throw it back on real quick, see what she look like, guys. There it is. Yes, sir, guys. She installed, man. She installed, guys. On my bench, so I can't hit it too much, y'all. I didn't want it to run off. Y'all see tapping the switch. Brake lights come on when you let go. See them down there at the bottom. Yes, sir, guys. So she installed. Yes, sir. Make sure we got some action. Yes, sir. So everything holding in place, guys. Everything's holding in place, man. Yes, sir. So I think that's gonna be the end of this one, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, to what we got going on in the channel next, man. I think we're gonna get ready to like I said, man, I think we're gonna gold her out, guys. So I gotta start getting these parts, get my part list together with all I'm gonna do. And we're gonna get her done, man. We're gonna get her done. Yes, sir. We got a set of True 13s that gotta go on this thing, man. Set of True 13s. So I think it's gonna be fire. You know what's up next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. to me. YouTube, talk to me, man. Talk to me. Got the fleet lined up, man. We got them almost all lit up now. One more to go, man. One more to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I'm just debating, guys. Just debating.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.